got back from the doctor to check my knee, and good thing I didn't have infection or anything, but they gave me a shot on my knee and then prescribed me some medicine. They think it's probably like swollen from something. And yeah, it's really gloomy outside. It's like raining. We're gonna go eat lunch really quick. You say you want to get what?
앞에서 월정삼길 방면 오른.
So we're gonna get that fish plate. I think Aiden wants to try one of each. Albacore rice. That's the ubi fish. That was so good. He gave some miyoko and these like pretty slices. So they said there's no bones on here, so you could just eat it. I scraped it off. I think some people are like surfing over there. Everywhere's slippery. 뭐 마셔?
나는 오공 라떼.
Like a hot cafe latte. Kids are playing over there. Like a high school or something. They're here for a field trip or something. Oh my gosh, people are constantly coming. Look at this. So I want to sit here and watch the kids. They didn't want to come in. Got a vanilla latte and I don't know what Aiden got. It's so good. Ooh, soft. You want to wash your feet?
닦고 싶어.
We have to go back to our Airbnb so we can shower and change. Can I have one marshmallow?
해로 우리가 들어가는데 우리 먼저 가면.
Now the kids are upstairs watching something and I think it's Aiden's taking a nap. I'm trying to get some editing done. I have to check out of this Airbnb tomorrow morning. What's the most fun thing you did in Jeju? There was a lot, but like number one. I like the 접시 pottery thing.
난 다 재밌었어.
알았어. 아니 나 마지막 시계.
이 앞에 왔어.
I haven't showered yet. It's raining all day long.
많이 있는 거.
Here. Aiden actually came to this restaurant when it just opened like 7-8 years ago. He came with my brother because him and my brother had a Jeju vacation, just the two of them, when my brother was visiting when we lived in Korea. That time he was telling us how like my brother accidentally spilled the entire seafood ramen everywhere, so the owner was so nice to give them a new one.
감사합니다.
네, 접시가 두 곳으로 있습니다.
Ice
똑같은
with
거야.
cheese on it.
아 여기.
미국 맛은 미역국이라 보시면 됩니다. 자, 전복하고 새우는 차가우니까 국물에
감사합니다.
네.
This noodle is
우리야.
라면
크게
나
만들어. 크게 만들어.
라면
이거 하잖아.
나오죠.
Guys, we just finished. That was really good, right, Anu? So it's still raining. Sonu wanted to play in the playground, but it's raining. So I told him he has to shower again when we get home, and he's like, okay. But Yanu didn't want to get wet, so he came inside and he's waiting with me. I haven't had Korean chicken since we got to Korea, so we kind of want it. Yanu's favorite is the sprinkle chicken. Okay guys, we're back at our Airbnb. Yanu's taking some photos with Aiden outside. Yanu's washing up. I've literally been sitting all day, so I can't digest right now, so I'm trying to walk around. So I plan to not film today. Also just like rest and then have no makeup on, but I decided to vlog today as well. Okay, we're gonna go to beach. See chicken on my knee.
여기 들어있지? 뭐야 떡볶이 맛있겠다.
프링클 맛있겠다 근데.
외지 감자. 그리고
Okay, it's ready. Let's go. Oh my god, this is a lot of. 밥다 먹고 뒤 디저트야. The other house.
이거 얼굴 써도 되는 거야?
여기 딱 있어.
오. There's 씨.
On the pedal and
There's good inside.
so full. We saw like Turkish chicken left. Swollen down here, all here. Okay, we're about to check out of this Airbnb. Today we basically have a full day out in Jeju, but we won't have a place to stay. So we're gonna keep our luggage in the car and then head to the airport. Our flight's at 9 p.m. today. So yeah, we have to check out in 5 minutes. We just have to close all the suitcases. Okay. So sad, today's our last day in Jeju. We're gonna eat like 돈가스 and salmon. I think there's one nearby. And when we head to the airport, we wanna have an early dinner and we wanna eat at that noodle place again. The place that we ate at when we arrived at Jeju because that was so good. So cute. Hi, Jeju house.
And then you're only gonna get it.
Finally, it's dry. Every time we got to the Airbnb, this entire place was wet because it kept raining the past 2 days. Wow, look at this. I'm just trying to carry 2 suitcases down. Y'all just do one at a time, it's heavy. So I will link this Airbnb in my video info box. So this place was a lot cheaper than our first Airbnb, but it was still very nice. I think it was like 100. Opa, was this place 100 a night or 80 a night? Was this place Airbnb 100 a night or 80 a night? It was even cheaper than 80 USD? Dang. Okay, so Aiden wants a drone shot of us waving bye here. Yeah. The 돈가스 is black because it's the octopus squid. 너무 맛있겠다. Hey, there's Mario. Dun, 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 dun.
형 맛이랑 비슷해서.
I've never had raw shrimp.
You did. 좀 많이 시켰어. 어디 있어?
So this is the shot that Yeonwoo took with the drone. That's a good shot.
괜찮아요? 껴서 드시면 맛있어요.
네. Wow, that was so good. So good. Aiden's gonna hike up a mountain, but I'm tired, so he's gonna drop me off at a cafe. Wow, there's a lot of people. The boys are still playing at the beach, but I want to stop by this gift shop. Are they? I can't find them. Found them. They had to go wash their hands. That mountain that's sticking out, that's the mountain Aiden and Yeonwoo's gonna hike at right now. So Aiden found this cute cafe. He's gonna drop off me and Johnny there and we'll just wait there until they come back.
I saw a video and then that was 2010.
Tired. I don't think I'm
40.
adjusted to time difference yet. Are you sure you could go there?
Yeah. 손안 가져가?
Suddenly the clouds came down, so it's gonna be super foggy up there. 사줄 수 있었어? Oh, the sausage, pizza bread looks really good. Or 복숭아 tea? Yeah. So they left at 1:45, and it's gonna take time to drive there and park. Let's see. Does it taste like podo? And they're still not here.
우리 여기서 시작이야 이제. 2시 7분입니다. 올라가 볼게요. 아우
30분이니까
22분 지났네. 여긴 비가 멋있네. 오, 엄마 저기 있다. 엄마 저기 있어. 어땠어? 재밌었어? 안 힘들어? 생각보다 그렇게 힘들진 않지? 오, 봐.
They're the infinity stairs again.
오케이.
We're gonna leave now. We're gonna go to that noodle place for an early dinner and then drop off our rental car and then head to the airport. So cool. Airport.
헬로 키리?
럭키
어?
깨또 까또.
어? 팜팜프린 스틱.
플라스틱은 아직 음료수 있는 건. 아하.
The place was pretty cheap. We paid like $70 for 5 days. Bye, Jeju.